Okay, good evening, everyone. Um, my name is Nabil Sani, and I'm with Group 3, and this is our first interview session. We have with us a smart home automation project, and our stakeholders are about to introduce themselves, and before we move on with the project interview. So the floor is yours.
Okay. So, good evening, all. So I would like to introduce my team. So myself, Aayushi Mathur, and I am the owner of the company, and Anu is the co-owner of our company. So yeah. So we are a home construction company, which is Eva Homes, has established itself as a trusted name synonymous with excellence. So our company comprises skilled architects, engineers, and craftsmen who share a passion for creating not just structures but a space that truly feels like home. So yeah, we are a we are from the company who's constructed the homes. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for that. And well, I've already introduced myself. My name is Nabil Sani, and I'm working with Madhumita Mallick and Prudhvi Prasad. And okay, I guess we can move right into it. So, you want us to help you build a smart home automation system. What exactly have you had any experience with smart home automations?
Okay. So we didn't have any experience with this, so it's our vision to envision a future where homes are not just spaces but intelligent ecosystems that adapt to the needs and preferences of their inhabitants. So it's our vision to empower homeowners with intuitive user friendly solutions that seamlessly integrate into their day lives. So we are not experienced in this, but yeah, our vision is to provide a intelligent system to all the houses.
Okay, so basically, you just like to make life easier for your prospective clients, right?
Right.
So, um, what expectations would you have for your smart home? So just walk me through like what exactly you feel in your own words, what you feel you would want to see within your smart home. You had the ideal setup.
Okay. So for now, we are planning to install smart devices which will be integrated with the app. So we just want one app which users have control to their houses, and the smart devices which are integrated with that app, and they that app can control all the devices, so user can easily use that app and control the all the devices of the home.
Okay, okay. So, from my understanding, you want an app
Mm-hmm.
that the user can use to control everything within the home. Do you have specific
Mm-hmm.
devices that so you would I would guess you want the app to work on both an iOS and an Android device.
Yes.
Okay.
So I
So
would like to add something in it that today the world is all the smart. They are becoming smart. They use laptop. They have smartphones. They use smartwatches. So this is our thought process that why can't we make a home smart? So we had an idea, me and Ayushi, that if we are able to make appliances smart and make customers life more easy and convenient and eco-friendly, that whenever they are not at home but they can control their devices appliances with using phone and with using their watches if they are having smart watches. So why can't we make our customer life more easy, and this is a way to handle their appliances more safe and more conveniently. So for that we wanted to introduce this smart home automation system for our company, and yeah, for the customer benefit.
So I just have one question. Hello everyone, I'm Madhumita. As Anu, you said, like you want to use the app via smartphone or through the mobile app, right? Do you
Yes.
have any uh, do you have any idea like what type of appliances or devices that you are currently using in the system? Sorry, in your home, or in the
So
future you want to use via all these apps?
yeah, I go through I'm having experience like whenever security camera today it is not safe without we if we don't have any security camera it's really not safe for our house because rob anyone can come, the homeless person can come, it can happen, so any uncertainty can happen. So if someone is knocking at our door we can easily find out whether we know the person or we don't know the person. Or if we are not at home also, then also we can, if we don't know the person, the security camera has some features that we can if we use our phone it can ring and it can set a alarm that set a alarm like a fire alarm. It has sound like this so that he can aware, and it has voice notification also. We can say something to him that it feels like we are at home even though we are not at home. And I'm having some experience about Samsung, not Samsung, the appliances which we are using at home, like washing machine and the stove, gas kitchen. So they are having some smart features that it can be used as a detergent and softener. But if we are not able to pull it better way, it shows us a notification that you have to push it further to start the appliances, which is safety. So it send a notification to the smartphone as well as the smartwatches, so which is a good feature I think. And it makes sometimes we are not aware that what we have not done, why our appliances is not working. It make us understand that we forget to do this thing, so we have to do that so that it will start work. So
Mhm.
that's
Sure.
why we wanted to introduce this feature.
So currently you are using a smart washing machine, you said, right? And do
Yes.
you have any idea like what other devices or appliances you plan to automate?
Yeah, so
Like security wise, you said like you want a video camera to be installed, should be
yes,
automated, right? Anything
yes.
else that you
We
think
can,
in future you would be like?
yeah, we can use
Basically,
what?
I want to understand what things you want to be in your smart home, what different type of appliances or devices, how you want your um, smart home to work.
We can
Can you give me the little walkout of your day to day activity inside your home?
suppose if I'm not at home and
Mm-hmm.
suddenly I left my lights, home appliance light which you are using on, and I want it to turn off.
So
It is not
lightning
possible.
system.
Yes. So it is not possible for me to turn it off when I'm not at home. I have to
Mm-hmm.
come back and switch it off. So with using my smart applications, I'm able to do that. And suppose in case sometime it happens that we are not able to lock our door, and we go out and we think that, oh, whether we have locked it our door or we have not locked it. So
Okay.
that feature also I want to apply. uh,
So door lock and close, like garage opening and closing
Yeah,
system. Okay.
yes, yes.
Sure.
And I wanted to the stove I said, microwave,
Mm-hmm.
and basically I want home to be a smart all the way, like shutting down the windows, everything.
Yeah, so I
Yes.
also want to add something like we are we are planning to install the smart home products like smart speakers, video doorbells, security cameras, and smoke detectors, thermostats, also the door locks and garage door opens, which Anu said, and indoor outdoor lights. So all this smart devices we want to install for our customers.
Sure. Um, Prithvi, you have anything to
Yeah,
ask?
I have some questions. Hi, I'm Prudhvi Prasad. My question is that do you have any privacy concerns or security concerns you want to mention in the app?
Yes,
Like,
Ayushi, would you like to add something on
yeah,
this?
like only your mobile phone or your family mobile phone or separate separate group links you have to create something like that, or only you want to use that app.
I think we uh, we would like to have the uh, s- recorded videos, recorded videos, which will capture the live if there any unusual activities is going on. So
Yeah, okay.
it should send us the notification that something is going on or someone is at our door,
Okay.
like that.
Yes,
Yeah,
I also want to add something. Yeah, yes, we are having privacy concern, so customer are not able to share their details, and so we just want the all this information to be private. So it should be encrypt. Only the customer or user will able to read it, or he will only get the notification.
yeah. And do you have any specific situation for the app from opening app? What should be visible at the first time or second page, or what options should be visible upon opening the app?
I did not get it. Can you
Uh,
explain?
if you open app, what should be visible? What's the first thing should be visible on the app, like screen page?
Okay,
So
so you are asking about the menu options,
Yeah, menu options
what
and
options
what?
we have to okay. So I think there should be a options like to see the notifications and the control system menu, and you guys also can suggest us how we can show the options to the
Like
user.
for heating system separate one, and for electronic lighting separate option, AC separate option. Because in
uh,
AC for room 1, room 2, room 3.
okay.
Like,
yes, that is a good idea. We want a welcome page also,
yeah,
and we want the app should be user friendly. It should be easily understandable, not complicated, and and anyone can use it. So we
So
want easy.
I have one question, that do you have any experience of this type of project? Do you have any prototype, so we can do you know any prototype, or do you know any of the app which are in the market? We can refer this that as well. We have
yeah,
our
okay,
requirements, but we can refer
okay,
that
okay.
apps as well.
I
So
mean,
we can, so yeah, we can work with you guys to build up a prototype where we put in a few of the features you've shared with us today, and maybe at our next meeting we could share those prototype, a few of those things, main features you've suggested, and we could get some feedback from you if possible. If that's okay
So
with you guys.
Yeah. I also wanted to understand, like, how do you prioritize your all these features that you have asked? Which feature is most important for you, and
So,
also the timeline.
timeline, I think, will be 2 months. And features, we just want to log in, and we want homepage. Rest, you tell us what we are required and what we have to do. You are going to do it first because we don't have any idea. We just come up with an um,
Yeah.
some, yeah. You
So
would
if
like to add? Yes, please.
Sorry, go ahead. Go ahead.
Ayushi, go ahead.
yeah. So we have just estimated the size for now. We are targeting the 50 to 100 homes,
Mhm.
and uh, yeah, so we are just targeting 50 to 100 homes. So as per that, we can estimate the system delivered timeline and other things.
Yeah.
So
Do you
if
have any
sorry, go ahead.
specific budget in mind?
Mm. Anu, do you have any idea what?
So we have $2 lakh in our mind.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Uh, 200K.
Okay. Okay. So, so if I just want to give us a brief summary of what we've discussed so far, to see if we're on the same page. So basically, from what we've gathered, mainly you want to have a smart home automation system that connects all your appliances and can be controlled from a mobile app. And the appliances you want connected are the smoke detectors, fire alarms, washing machine, lights, and security cameras. Also your door locks, right?
Yes,
You
yes.
want all of this to be voice activated and also controlled from the app. You'd like notifications and a user-friendly landing page. And
Yes.
then in
Yes.
terms of privacy, you emphasize that you wanted your customers' data encrypted and not shared with any other entities or third parties. Um, okay, so I think there's just one final question we have for you, which is in terms of the app, would the prospective client be able to share their login with people who are not subscribed? Do you plan on controlling who is subscribed to the app, or does the end user or the client have that autonomy? Do they decide, oh, I want to give access to four, five, six people to the app? Or do you decide that? Do you want to control it from your end, or does the end user control that?
I think we can control it. We can uh, give personas. We can divide it in a personas, like there is users which have the subscription plan and they have the accessibility to control their systems, and there are some users which are free and they can do some limited controls. So we have to discuss that in our in within our team, and then we'll let you know
Okay.
about that.
Okay. So thank you for your time today. We'll reach out to you with a quote and a document to start work, and we'll send you an email. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
guys.
much.
Thank